If you stay in the bath for too long, your fingers are going to become all wrinkly and raisin-like. But why is that? It's not magic. It's just a little something called osmosis. And that same osmosis keeps you alive. And you know what? We're learning that today. Welcome to day 4 of the Summer Lock-in series. Today's Science Day, and we're going to be learning osmosis. Let's go. Now, what is osmosis? Osmosis is really just a type of diffusion. We've actually covered that in the previous video. So if you want to check that out, that's well and good. But osmosis is really just the net movement of water particles through a semi-permeable membrane. Now, the thing about water is that it loves balance. But what does that even mean? Well, think of this membrane as a sort of border. It's gonna allow water particles to go through. But for something bigger like salt particles, they're gonna be halted right there and they can't enter. Water molecules always go from an area of high concentration of water, meaning a low concentration of salt, to a low concentration of water, meaning a high concentration of salt. And because all of this happens naturally, it requires zero energy. Now, to find out how this affects living things, scientists look at a little something called tonicity. This is just a fancy word for how concentrated a solution is. And there's 3 environments in which a cell can find itself in. Isotonic, in which the water concentration inside of the cell matches outside of the cell, so it's perfectly balanced. Hypertonic, which is kind of like swimming in the ocean. The salt water has way more salt than your body cells. So water rushes out of your cells to sort of dilute or equalize the amount of water. And last but not least, hypotonic, which is different from hypertonic. Don't get confused. The tap water has practically no salt compared to your body. So water rushes into the outer layers of your skin. This makes your skin sort of swell up, causing those famous pruny wrinkles. Big whoop, man, you just explained a bunch of random stuff. How does this even help us? Your body uses osmosis every single second. When you're drinking water, your intestines absorb it into your bloodstream via osmosis. And your kidneys use it constantly to filter blood. Even plants rely on it. It's how root cells pull water out of the dirt, keeping the plant stiff and upright. If this video made science a little easier to swallow, please consider hitting like and subscribing. And also comment down below which topic you'd like me to cover next. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.